Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Facebook app is not working on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your Facebook app is not working, so let's see about some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. After that, you have to go for App Store, go for search, and here you have to search for Facebook. And you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Facebook app or your Facebook app is not on your installing process. So if you find any pending update here, try to update your app. After updating, go back and you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, you have to try to make a forced restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to unlock your phone and here you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open your settings app. Go for general, go for iPhone storage here, look for your Facebook app and you have to try to offload your app. Simply tap on this offload option and then tap on offload app again. After that your app will be offloaded, so if there will be any junk files or any cache into your Facebook app, it will be cleared in this step and after that you will not get the issue again. So after offloading, your issue must be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.